We shall start our class now, okay, right now. Now listen to me. Good morning to all. Only 37 children are there. Well, shall I wait a little while? Anyway, you just see. And children, please stop playing and talking to anybody who's next to you, okay? Be attentive. You don't talk to anyone because you won't be able to hear what I'm telling you. So each one will be switching on your mic and asking, ma'am, ma'am, ma'am. So please listen, and parents also see that. They sit, and I want them to sit comfortably, and I want them to be free. Okay, be good. Ma'am will help you to do all the things. I'll just see. We are just going to see this, play with words. Now, you have to write today's date next to that. Just there is some space in between play with words and vocabulary in context. Please write today's date over there. Okay, please write today's date over there. Yes. Today's date is 17/3. That's enough. Then hope you'd have done that. Next one, the first question. Circle the meanings of the words in pink, all that pink. See, some words are written in pink. Please listen to me. Rob, chase, sting, grab, smart. So, 3 words are given there. 3 words, okay. We have to find out the meaning, meaning of the given word. What word is given in pink? Okay. First word is raw. Now children, now we start. Okay. You don't ask anybody anything because we are going to do it here with me, both of us. Okay, so you don't worry about anything. The first one. I need Jaciel to read the first word in pink. Yes, Jaciel. Jaciel, are you there? No. In order, I'm going to call. Jaciel, are you there? Jake, Bobby, Matthew. Jake.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Jake. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, Jake. Can you see the word written in pink, first one? Rob. Did you see that?
Rob. Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the correct meaning of rob? Is it clever?
Steal.
What is it?
Steal.
Very good. You must not write even thief. Thief is the person who robs. So you have to circle that. Circle. So you have to circle. Very good. Next child is Jeshu. Jeshu. When I am doing, you also can do, children.
Yes,
Jeshu.
Yes,
good morning, Jeshu. Yes. Hope you are keeping good health. Jeshu. Can you read the second word? Can you read the second word? C-H-A-S-E. What is it? Chase. Jeshu, chase. You're chasing somebody. Now, is it push? The correct meaning, push. Chase means push, pull, follow. Which is the correct word? You're chasing someone, going behind. Push, pull, follow. Which is the right word? Just if you don't know, I will please others don't tell anything because the child must learn. Johan, Can you just tell me? Turn off the mic if you don't know, Jeshu. Johan? Johan? Jonathan Paul?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's this?
Ma'am, Jonathan Paul.
Jonathan. Wow, very good, Jonathan. Can you tell me the meaning of chase from the given 3 words?
Follow.
Very good. See, if you don't know, don't feel bad. You are learning new things. Even ma'am is teaching you first time all this. So without teaching, you are telling. Very good, children. Okay, others don't feel bad. Now, Judah, Jonathan, good. Judah, Kabir, Kabir,
Yes, ma'am.
Kabir, can you tell me the meaning of sting? Sting. Is it prick, tickle, fall? Honey bee. Very good. Children, others also can do. Instead of playing, I will come back to you. Good, Kabir. Now, Manu,
Ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am.
Manu.
Yes, ma'am.
You must tell I am Manu, ma'am.
I'm Manu, ma'am.
Very good. Otherwise, I won't know because I called some other children's name first. Can you tell me grab? Grab. G-R-A-B. Grab. What do you mean by grab? See, listen carefully. Take, give, snatch.
Take.
Listen. Grab something from others and running away without their knowledge.
Ma'am, take.
Think once again.
Give.
No. See, listen, 1 minute. Okay, you just wait. Mukil M, just wait, don't say now. Manu, Mukil M, can you tell me? Grab. You're grabbing chocolates from others. And the child will be crying. Punit,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you mean by grab?
Snatch.
Very good. It's not wrong take, but taking is different. Snatch, that is different. Grabbing something. Next one. Ashwant P. Ashwant, read the 5th word from the textbook. Children, with this lesson, we are finishing our lessons. We will do all the worksheets next day onwards after finishing. Smart. Ashwant is not there. Cyrus, smart.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
Clever.
Clever, yeah, it's not clear anyway. Clever. So now you know the meanings of raw, steal, chase, follow, sting, prick, grab, snatch, smart, clever. Very good. Next child is Ritik. We say, as brave as a lion. You cannot, Ritik, wait. You cannot make your own statements. You have to match, okay? Now, sorry, some problem in the mic. Ritik, see that? No disturbance, Ritik. Okay. Wait, I will read the first one. Somebody else is speaking. Okay, Ritik, can you read the first one? As busy
As a bee.
Very good. Always honey bee. Bee will be very, very busy. Very good. Now, next one I want John Matthew. John, please read second one. Children, ma'am is not shouting. When you don't attend the class, you won't even go to the recording and do. Some children. So in that case, when we give assignment, you may not know some answers. That time don't come and fight, okay? To everybody this is. You must listen in class or you have to go to the recording. Ma'am has sent many worksheets for 3 subjects. So you can go through it. When I have time, I will do it in class also. Now, Kevin, can you tell me now? John is not there. Kevin,
Ma'am.
can you read the second one, Kevin? Kevin, for everybody, when you come, tell, ma'am, I'm Kevin. Whoever's coming, because you say, ma'am, I think some other child. Who's this now?
Kevin, ma'am.
Kevin. So, again, don't make me tell children. When you answer, you tell, I am, or Kevin. Just tell your name. Kevin, can you read the second one? Can you read the...
Ice.
Very good. Please match it. Kushagra, Kushagra. Read the third one, Kushagra. Kushagra not there. Lokesh, Sandeep, Lokesh. I'm just taking attendance with the same thing like Mithilesh, Mithilesh, Naren, Naren. Yes. Prajan, Prajan.
I'm present.
Very good. Prajan. Read the third one, Prajan. Third one you read. Louder, louder.
As big as.
As big as. Who's very big among all these? Yes. Okay, turn off your mic, some disturbance, okay? As big as an elephant. So you must know all these. Okay. Now, good. Now, Sachin, read fourth one, Sachin.
As sweet as honey.
Oh my God. As sweet as honey. Next one, fifth one. Ritun. Please read Ritun, fifth one. Ritun Rajwell is not there. Sehan. Sehan. 1 minute, let me mark absent. Otherwise I won't know. Okay, Ritun, Sehan. Now, Sharan Pranav. Sharan.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, Sharan. Nowadays you are there always. Good boy. Read the fifth one, Sharan.
As light as a feather.
Very good. You know the bird's feather, any feather. Even peacock's feather is very, very light, not heavy. Okay, Sujin, we are coming to the next one. Fill in EA or AI. Okay, Sujin. Read the first one, Sujin.
O-C-E-A-N-O-N.
Very good. Now, second one, Tharush. Read second one. Second one, Tarush. Tarush is not there. Taranish. Taranish. Yuvan Prabhakaran. Okay. Yes, Yuvan. Who's this?
Ma'am, Yuvan, ma'am.
Yuvan, read the second one with the correct spelling.
R-A-I-N.
Rain. Very good. Others, please fill in. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Very good. Next one. I am coming back to Sanjay Krishna. Sanjay Krishna. Sanjeevan, are you there?
Yes,
Who's this?
Sanjeevan, ma'am.
Yes, when I told you, as soon as you enter, you must tell Sanjeevan. Sanjeevan, can you read the third one? Ma'am forgot about the spelling. I don't know what word is it. Can you just help me in filling in? Is it EA or AI? Animals will have that. Some will have long, some will have short. Yes, Sanjeevan. Monkey got a long dash. What is it?
Long tail.
Tail. Tell me the spelling of tail. Is it E-A or A-I over there? Tail.
E-A.
T-A-I-L. Okay, you have to tell fast. T-A-I-L. Tail. Turn off your mic. Okay, good. Sanjit. Sanjit. What happened? Sanjit. Sanjit, read fourth one. Listen, Sanjay Krishna. Who's this? Sanjay Krishna. Is it Sanjay Krishna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sanjay. Please tell me the fourth one.
Speak.
Very good. S-P-E-A-K, speak. Now, I need 1 second. Sanjit is not there. Sanjit? Yes, good. I'm here, ma'am. Very good. Tell me fifth one. Which one is the right word? P. You're paying something. This is the past tense of pay. You did something and got a toy. Is it E-A or A-I? Past tense of pay. Can you tell me, Sanjit?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Yes.
P-A-I-D, paid. Actually, you won't be knowing it unless I ask you like paid. No, when you speak, I paid so much for something like that. Okay. Now, sixth one, 1 minute. Now, I want to see you all, how you all are behaving. Sri Mukilan, read the next one with the correct spelling. Sri Mukilan.
Yes, ma'am.
I cannot see you. Where is Sri Mukilan? Yeah, good. How are you, Sri Mukilan?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Did you eat your breakfast in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Sit up straight, ma'am. What did you eat? What did you eat? Ma'am won't ask for it. Tell me. What did you eat? For what?
No.
Now listen. Just read the next one with the correct spelling. W. Some two. Tangareknam. Stop playing, ma'am. Yeah. Sri Mukilan, tell me W dash dash T. Tell me the missing letters over there.
Water.
What is it?
Water.
The question is W dash dash T. So I want the correct word and correct letter to be filled in. Tell the spelling of that word.
Water.
What are you telling? I can't hear. Sit up straight now. Tell me 2 letters. Whether it's Sri Mukilan. Sit up straight. Yeah. Tell me whether it's E-A or A-I. Okay, Pratika. No, others don't disturb them. Pratika, can you tell me, Pratika? W dash dash T. What is it? Pratika?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the missing letters over there. Is it E-A or A-I? When somebody is going, we will tell, please dash for me.
W-A-I-T. Wait.
Very good. W-A-I-T. Wait. Very good. Now, next person is Tridip. Okay, good, Pratika. I know that if you don't know, no problem. Ma'am will tell you. Ma'am will ask some other child and that child will explain. Now, Tridip read
Yes,
seventh
ma'am.
one. Tell me the seventh one.
D-E-A-M, dream.
Yes, sometimes when ma'am taking class, some children will be dreaming. That is daydream. When you sleep, you will have nice dreams. Sometimes it won't be nice, scary. But anyway, dream, D-R-E-A-M. Now itself you have to keep in your mind and learn the spellings as I'm teaching you. Good, Tridip. Sai Vasavi.
Ma'am.
Good. Sai Vasavi. Tell the next one. W-H dash dash T. Sai Vasavi.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
W-H-E-A-T.
What is it? Wheat. Wheat. Okay. Rice. Wheat. Okay. W-H-E-A-T. Jeff.
Yes,
Jeff.
ma'am.
Can you tell the fourth? I'm sorry. 9th one, Jeff.
B-E-A-K. Beak.
Okay. Who got beak?
Birds.
Birds. Very good. Birds or animals? Birds. Beak. B-E-A-K. Beak. Please check all these spellings and you have to learn. Niral. Niral. Niral.
Yes, ma'am.
Read 1, 2, 3 words.
Ocean, rain, tail.
Good. Jane, read 4, 5, 6. Jane, where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Read 4, 5, 6. Speak,
4, 5, speak.
paid,
P-A-I-T.
paid.
Tail.
Wait,
Tail.
wait.
Wait.
Speak, paid, wait. Very good. Rahil,
Tail.
read 7, 8, 9. Rahil, read 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Dream, beak.
No. Rahil, no need spelling. If I ask you spell the word, you spell. Read, I said. Dream,
Dream, beak.
beak. Okay, let's go to the next one. Fill in the blanks with and. Turn off your mic, please. When you finish your work. Abhisha, help ma'am. Abhisha,
You have to tell me.
turn off your mic, please.
How is he doing?
Sri Mukilan, turn off your mic.
Recent வந்து ரொம்ப financial
Sri Mukilan, turn off your mic. Yeah, good. Now, Abhisha, 1 minute. Children, don't turn on your mic unnecessarily, okay? Ma'am will ask you to do it. Now, Abhisha, read the first one.
The table and chair. Yes, Latuna.
Very good. And chairs, both. Tables and chairs. Very good, very good. Now, Akshita, MP, Akshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how are you, Akshita?
Fine, ma'am.
Please read the second one, Akshita.
Right.
Raju.
Raju.
Ran fast.
Ran fast.
What will you?
Not.
And or but?
Could not get it.
What will you use? He ran fast. Couldn't catch the bus. What will you use? But or and? But. Okay. As you speak, you write. Raju ran fast but couldn't catch the bus. Now, Aratrika. Yes, Aratrika. Read the next one, third one.
Yes, ma'am. I searched for my book, but could not find it.
Very good, but couldn't find it. Very good. Please complete that, children. Akshaya E. Akshaya.
Ma'am?
Is it Akshaya E?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Now listen, children. Riha, turn off your mic. I'm calling Akshaya. Children, when I call only you turn on your mic. Okay, Akshaya, I will come back to you. 1 second, Akshaya.
Okay, ma'am.
I want you to read all the 3 sentences.
Okay, ma'am.
The table
Excellent. And cat
chased Latula. Second one.
chased Latula. Raju ran fast but couldn't not
Catch
catch
the
the
bus.
bus.
Yeah. Third one.
I hang the cat for my book and could
Couldn't.
not find it.
Very good. Enough.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now I don't know who is disturbing the class. Some children, I don't know who's that. Somebody asked something. Who's that? Somebody turn on the mic and ask me something. Tridib. You all must think that you are in school. So don't be going on playing. Okay, good children. Sri Mukilan, hands up. Everybody, hands up. All are feeling sleepy. Hands up. Hands down. Everyone, hands up. Hands down. Okay, now. Tridib, not listening to me. Okay, now. Next one. We shall go to the next one. Okay. Now, next child is Evelyn Zera. Will complete till 6. Evelyn, she doesn't come often. Getsia,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read the 4th one with the answer?
Okay, ma'am. Susan and Sona watered the plants.
Very good. Very good. That's all, only one. Israelina.
Madam Evelyn.
Israelina,
Ma'am.
please read 51.
Madam Evelyn had
Evelyn afterwards. I had a 1 second, children. See, when one child is answering, you don't come back. Now, wait. Now, Israelina is answering. Evelyn can wait. Okay. Okay, Israelina. I had apples.
apples and orange for breakfast.
Oranges for breakfast. Now, Evelyn, read 61, Evelyn. Evelyn, you have to attend class whenever you are.
The dog chased the
Squirrel. What happened? The dog chased the squirrel.
squirrel.
Could not catch her.
Could not catch her.
What is there missing? And or but? Jemima. Read it. Please read 61 with the answer.
The dog chased the squirrel but could not catch her.
Yes, very good. Children, you will learn only by speaking, by reading. Okay, don't worry about if you don't know the answer, no problem. The dog chased the squirrel. Okay, now Evelyn, you read the fourth one, Evelyn. Only till 6 we are doing today. Fourth one you read, Evelyn. She went off. Juansri. Evelyn, you have to be in class, Evelyn. Juansri, read the fourth one.
Susan and Sona water.
The plants. Very good. Pratika, Arvi, Pratika, read fifth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I had apples.
I had apples and oranges for breakfast.
Very good. Rida, read sixth one, Rida. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The dog
The dog chased the squirrel but could not catch her.
Very good. Now children,
Thank you, ma'am.
get ready for the activity next period, okay? Anyway, I will just send the link. All must leave the class. Take a break, come. Okay, don't disturb anyone, even in class. Whatever the masters, 3 masters tell, you have to listen.